Macros embedded in Word and Excel files are one of the most common delivery mechanisms for malware, and one of the hardest to catch with traditional signature-based scanning alone. The Cloudmersive Virus Scan API handles the full spectrum of threat detection, but in this video we'll be focusing specifically on how to block macro-embedded documents from file uploads in Python using the advanced scan. We'll be working in Google Colab. We'll start by writing our pip install command for the Cloudmersive Virus Scan client library and running it. If you'd rather skip straight to the finished implementation of this code, all of this code is available as copy-paste snippets, and the link is in the description for where you can find that. With that out of the way, we'll write our imports, the Cloudmersive Virus API client package, API exception from its REST module, and pprint, which we'll use to format the API response. Now we'll handle configuration. We'll write a configuration object and add our API key. Then we'll instantiate our scan API client, which is the object we'll be calling our scan method on in a moment. Right below that, we'll write our input file variable and point it at our test file. In this case, that'll be a macro-enabled Word document, docm, that we've uploaded directly to the Colab session. The document itself is a straightforward contract, but it has a VBA project embedded in it, which is exactly where Word stores macro code. That's what we're testing against. Now we've arrived at the key part. We'll write allow macros and set it to false. One parameter, one line. This tells the API to flag any document containing embedded macro content and return clean result as false, regardless of whether those macros contain a malicious signature. Again, this is content level blocking, not just signature matching. Now we'll write our try except block. We'll save our API response to a variable and call the scan file advanced method on our API instance, passing in input file and our allow macros parameter. Then we'll hand that response off to pprint, and then we'll go ahead and run our code. In the response, clean result is false and contains macros is true. The embedded VBA project was detected and the file failed our policy. And just like in the executables video, found viruses is none. No known malware signatures present whatsoever. This file failed purely because it contains macro content, which is exactly the kind of threat that slips past traditional antivirus undetected. We'll notice that every other contains field also came back false. The API is doing a full content analysis on every file regardless of which parameters you're actually enforcing. One call gets you the full picture. Now let's flip allow macros to true and rerun. Clean result comes back true and the file passes. If your use case involves processing legitimate macro-enabled Office files, one boolean is all it takes to open that gate, while keeping every other threat categorically blocked. In the next video in this series, we'll look at blocking script files from uploads the same way, and we'll eventually add a link below in this video if you want to jump ahead. If you have any questions about the Virus Scan API, reach out to our sales team and they'll be glad to help.